Welcome back to Bullion and Beyond. Imagine this moment in a quiet and simple way. You are sitting at home with nothing unusual happening around you. Maybe you are cleaning your room or organizing a drawer that has been untouched for months or even years. Inside the drawer are coins. Old coins. Small coins. Coins you have seen many times before and never really cared about. But today feels different. Today your eyes stop on one tiny coin that looks completely ordinary. It is the 2015 Poland 5 Groszy coin. A small golden-colored coin that most people would ignore without a second thought. But something about it makes you pause. Something tells you to look closer. And that is where this incredible story begins. The 5 Groszy coin is part of Poland's modern currency system known as the Third Republic of Poland. It is a low-denomination coin that is used in everyday transactions. People carry it in their pockets without thinking. It is made from brass-plated steel, which gives it a soft golden shine. On one side of the coin you will see the number 5 along with decorative oak leaves that represent strength and endurance. On the other side you will find the Polish eagle, which is a powerful national symbol that reflects pride, history, and identity. At first glance there is nothing unusual about this coin. It looks simple, common, almost insignificant. But in the world of coin collecting, appearances can be very misleading. Millions of these coins were minted in the year 2015. This means that in normal circumstances the coin has very little monetary value. You can find it easily in circulation, and most people would never imagine that such a coin could be worth anything beyond its face value. However, the world of rare coins does not follow ordinary rules. In this world, tiny details can create massive differences in value. A coin that looks exactly the same as another coin can be worth thousands or even millions more simply because of a small hidden feature. One of the most important factors that can turn an ordinary coin into a valuable treasure is a minting error. During the production process, coins are created in large quantities using machines. Sometimes these machines make mistakes. These mistakes are known as mint errors, and they are highly sought after by collectors. A coin might be struck off-center. It might have a double image. It might be missing part of its design. Or it might have an unusual texture or composition. These errors are rare because most defective coins are removed during quality checks. But a few manage to escape into circulation, and when they do, they become extremely valuable. Another key factor is the condition of the coin. In coin collecting, condition plays a huge role in determining value. A coin that is in perfect condition with no scratches, no wear, and no damage is considered uncirculated. These coins are very rare, especially for low-denomination coins that are usually used frequently. Collectors are always searching for coins that look as if they were just minted. The better the condition, the higher the potential value. There is also the concept of rarity and uniqueness. Sometimes a coin becomes valuable because of a unique feature that sets it apart from millions of others. It could be a slight variation in design, a difference in thickness, a unique marking, or even a historical detail related to the time it was minted. These small differences may not be noticeable to everyone, but experienced collectors know exactly what to look for. Now this is where the mystery of the 2015 Poland 5 Groszy coin becomes truly fascinating. There have been rumors and discussions among collectors about extremely rare versions of this coin. Versions that are believed to have unusual characteristics or errors that were not widely reported. These coins are not easy to find. They do not appear in every collection. And when they do appear, they create excitement and curiosity. The idea that such a small coin could be worth $754 million sounds unbelievable. And in most realistic cases, this number is greatly exaggerated or used as a way to attract attention. However, it is important to understand that rare coins have been sold for incredible amounts of money in the past. There are coins that have reached prices in the millions because of their rarity, condition, and historical importance. So while the exact figure may not always be accurate, the possibility of a coin becoming extremely valuable is very real. This is what makes coin collecting so exciting and so addictive. It turns a simple everyday object into a potential treasure. It encourages people to look closer, to pay attention to details, and to appreciate the hidden stories behind each coin. Every coin has a journey. It passes through different hands, travels across different places, and carries a piece of history with it. Think about how many coins you have seen in your life. How many times you have ignored them or spent them without thinking. What if one of those coins had something special about it? What if one of them had a rare error or a unique feature that could make it valuable? The truth is, you never know unless you take the time to look carefully. The 2015 Poland 5 Groszy coin is a perfect example of how something small and ordinary can hold unexpected potential. It reminds us that value is not always visible on the surface. Sometimes it is hidden, waiting to be discovered by someone who is curious enough to look deeper. Collectors around the world dedicate years of their lives to searching for coins like this. They study designs, compare details, analyze minting patterns, and learn everything they can about different coins. Because they know that even the smallest detail can make a huge difference. If you have old coins at home, now is the time to take them out and examine them closely. Look at the year, look at the design, look at the condition. Try to notice anything unusual. You might not find $1 million coin, but you will definitely gain a new appreciation for the world of coins and the stories they carry. This journey is not just about money. It is about discovery, curiosity, and the excitement of finding something unexpected. It is about understanding that even the smallest objects in our lives can have hidden value. So the next time you come across a small coin, do not ignore it. Take a moment to look at it carefully. Because within that small piece of metal there might be a story waiting to be discovered. And who knows, maybe one day that discovery could change everything. This is Bullion and Beyond, where ordinary coins become extraordinary stories and where every small detail matters.